I've had my carpet cleaned by multiple people and they've never been as thorough as Mike. I don't fear him coming into my home. I know that everything will be taken care of. I feel like my carpets are safe to walk on.
They take the extra effort. They put the little corner protectors on things. They lift up the furniture. They put the little skids under so they're not just dragging it across my floor. My home is treated the way he would treat his own home, because that's a big thing when you have a service provider. You want them to treat your home like they would treat their own home. He protected my corners, he protected my floors, he cleaned things, and when he got done, he wiped everything down. Everything was done in a professional manner. He takes the extra time. Some of the carpet cleaners upcharge you for everything. We charge an extra X amount of dollars for raking your carpet after we clean it. But he wants it to look good when he leaves. He cares and he puts forth the extra effort to make it look good.
I like that this is a family business. This isn't just a bunch of people that answered an ad in a newspaper and they're just there, to make a paycheck.
They're all courteous. They're all been trained by Mike. You're not uneasy even with the personnel that comes in with him.
They always look clean. Their hair looks nice. They don't have any odd mannerisms. They're just very comforting when they come into your home.
We live in a world now that everything goes, just come in, get your carpets clean, and the cleaning monkey isn't that way. They look professional. They come in and they have their logo on their shirts and you know who you're dealing with, and there's no question that you're going to get a good job.
Out in the Sun Cities where we live, there's a lot of elderly people, and the scams that are pulled on the elderly is unconscionable. These poor people out here that have been scammed, and Mike's not a scam, and I feel very good about that.
I think we've pretty much said it all. He's just someone that I would recommend.